Welcome back to Two Harbors, Catalina Island for the 2023 BENETEAU Rendezvous. This is our 23rd year here in Two Harbors, and we have 61 boats. You can see behind us we have about 55 dinghies with about 200 people aboard that are joining us for the dinghy cocktail raft up here. We got a weekend of fun with BENETEAU owners. Sailboats, powerboats, outboard boats, all the BENETEAU ranges are represented here at Two Harbors. It's a really fun weekend. We're just so psyched to be back. I've got some great people with me from BENETEAU America and also Group BENETEAU in France, which I'm really pumped about. I have Alexis Cha, who's in charge of the Antares range of the BENETEAUs, all the way from France for this event, which we really appreciate. And then Spencer Ward from Florida, he's in charge of the outboard boats. And then Clement Megot, who is in charge of the sailboats for America. So these are the guys we buy the boats from, we get advice from as far as designs and stuff like that, and that ultimately serve our customers in this cruising world of boats and sailboats and powerboats. So really happy to be there. Anything you guys want to say, Clement? You got the curious accent.
It's my first time here. It's absolutely amazing. I mean, I have been living a dream since we arrived in Catalina. Barrett has been doing a great job with South Coast Yacht. I mean, the team is absolutely amazing. As you said, surrounded by sailboats. I mean, I'm more than happy to be here. It's absolutely amazing. So, definitely my first time, but not my last time for sure.
Absolutely. I mean, take a look around you. This is what it's all about, right? It's absolutely stunning here, but what makes it is watching owners enjoy their boats. We put a lot of hard work into them, and seeing the smiles on their faces when they get to pull into harbor is something you cannot replace. It's awesome to be here. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're very welcome. And Alexis?
Thank you, Barrett. Such a great event. Thank you for putting this event together for so many years, and thank you for inviting us, the BENETEAU team, to this event. It's a great pleasure to be there.
Well, we are honored that you guys joined us.
Thank you very much,
with your partners, your wives, and all
Yes.
that kind of stuff. It's awesome. They get to see this really incredible place on this planet, which
Yeah.
our kids right below the camera here are coming back for all these years and just loving it as their summer vacation.